So you should have those diagrams copied in. So what happens when you put a charge into an electric field? Well, because there's a force, then it's going to accelerate. So if you've got a negative charge here, that's going to tend to accelerate towards the positive and away from the negative. A positive charge does the opposite, and that tends to go in the direction of the field lines. So moving towards the negative because it's experiencing that force. So you can see those, the two charges there, and because there's a constant force acting on them, they actually accelerate up the way, or in the case of the positive, down the way. So we're going to use that when you're looking at particle accelerators. If the charged particle enters the field perpendicularly with a constant speed, it's a bit like a projectile motion from National 5. The horizontal component of the speed is constant because there's no effect on that, but the vertical component is accelerated, and so it has this curved or parabolic trajectory upwards there. So now time to answer some more questions on the Google form.